Dave here, and yes, I do love Lofty. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate your current lead sources so it's automatically dumped into your Lofty CRM. No more Zapier, no more of that crap. It's all automated. Now, before I hop in, make sure you like, subscribe, and share this content because sharing is caring. And if you're a Lofty user or a future Lofty user, I appreciate you watching these videos, so make sure you get the word out because I really want you to maximize this amazing system. It's absolutely amazing. I'm an 8-year plus user of this, so pretty darn good. All right, so how to integrate your leads. You want to go under settings, scroll on the left side, excuse me, and then you're going to see lead capture. Boom, opens up this beautiful screen right here. And then you're just going to scroll down and just make sure your Zillow leads are imported. And again, this may be different comparing what program system you're on. So if you're on a team, you probably won't see these. If you're a team leader, you probably will see these. So if you're importing leads directly through Zillow and Realtor.com, these will automatically route them. So what you got to do is you just click here how to do these, and it'll help you walk you right through it. Super easy because your API key is right. It'll show you where your API key is, sorry. But yeah, they'll walk you right through it. Also, too, do you want to have welcome emails? So what that means is when the lead is imported into Lofty, a welcome email goes out. Some people don't because maybe Zillow or Realtor does it for you, but there you go. And then tons of other lead sources. I know a lot of people will use like listings to leads, or maybe Realtor.com, Redfin. So Lofty has a really good way of showing you how to do that. So let's say you want to connect your listings to leads. So it's going to open up a new tab, and it's going to walk you right through it. I mean, there you go. So again, super easy how to log in and how to get your lead sources connected. But again, if you're having problems with this, you can always email support. They're fantastic. Or just go up here to the question mark, drop down, submit a ticket, learning center, help center, show me how. There's a lot of cool things. And sometimes you can actually chat with support. Been a big fan of that. So personal opinion, you're probably going to get a faster response by chatting than submitting a ticket. That's just me. Anyways, that's how you connect your external leads sources. Fantastic way. If you're not doing it, make sure you do it. Have a great day.